Hi, puppies.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Awkward.
I love you, with Mackenzie, once more. Memories. I don't know how to flip the camera. I just don't know these things.
Oh,
I'll
hold
I
it.
thought I could see myself. I turned it really quick.
You're fruity.
Bailey.
This is my dog, Bailey. Bailey! Hi! Hi, puppies! Hi!
Oh, you're the baby. Yeah. Come here. I want you to love me. I just want you to give me kisses. Not my mouth, just my cheeky.
My cheeky cheeks. Cheeky cheeky cheeks.
No, not my lips, my cheek.
Sorry, I'm gonna hate my laugh when we watch this.
I like you. You're my new friend. This dog, period, had her period on me once and stained my shirt.
The shirt I gave you too.
I know. I don't even know where that is. I washed it and it came out, but like, still, it's gross. But I don't know where it is. It's probably hidden in the dungeon of my closet. There's scary things in there.
You look like an evil person petting your dog. Especially Bailey's face.
No, it has to be a hairless dog. My neighbor has a hairless dog. It's scary.
Yeah, Betty or whatever.
Yeah, it's scary. If you want to, you can stop it. I don't care.
Yeah.